Hi students, how are you? So I am your Kusum ma'am. Today I am here to teach you about median. So most of the students are finding difficulty in finding median and that too related to missing frequency. So it's a very simple way. You can find it very easily. So here we are having question where the class interval is in between 5 to 14, 14 to 23, 23 to 32. Like that it is still 59 to 68. And frequency is 5, 11, x 53, y 16 and 10. Here the missing frequency is x and y. How to find it? How to write cumulative frequency which is represented by CF? So here we start out with the first number. Whatever the first number is there, repeat that. Now add diagonally. 5 plus 11, 16. Then 16 plus x. Now adding 16 and 53. So it's a 69 plus x. Now 69 plus x plus y. Then it's 85, 69 plus 16 plus x plus y, and 85 plus 10 is 95 plus x plus y. So if you read the question, there in the question it is given total of the frequency is 165. So that means this total answer is 165. We are going to frame first equation from there, that is 95 plus x plus y is equal to 165. Thus x plus y is 165 minus 95. So it's a 70. So this is our first equation. Now let's start out with the solution. So how we are going to start this? So for this we need to find out first. So already here CF is given. Cumulative frequency, how to know that? Here the median is given 38.2. So this is the number which explains us which category to be taken. 38.2 comes in between 32 and 41. So this we are going to choose as median class, out of which 32 is lower boundary point. So I have taken L as 32. Listen carefully. Whatever the median is given, we need to choose the class in between that one. 38 comes in between 32 and 41. So this I have chosen as a median class, out of which lower boundary point is 32. And we need to make a column for that. So this 53 is frequency, and just above that diagonally, whatever the column we choose, just above that is taken as cumulative frequency. So CF is 16 plus x, lower boundary point is 32, frequency is 53. Now how to find C, which is class interval, or we can call it as height h also. This is class interval 14 minus 5. We need to find the interval of the class, which is 9. So let's start out with the solution. So median class is given here 38.2, lower boundary point is 32, n by 2 we need to divide 165 by 2. So already I did that, which is 82.5. N by 2 we are going to replace by 82.5. CF is 9, CF is 16 plus x. So many students make mistake over here. As here minus sign is there, we need to change the sign of both the numbers. So it is minus 16 minus x whole divided by frequency. Frequency is 53 and class interval is 9. So this here you need to solve in a simple way. Always remember that first we'll be shifting this L towards median. Shift out lower boundary point. So your calculation will be easy. Thus here 38.2 minus 32 is equal to, now subtracting 82.5 and 16, which is 66.5 minus x whole upon 53 multiply by 9. If you subtract these two numbers, we are going to get 6.2 is equal to 66.5 minus x whole by 53 multiply by 9. Now we'll have cross multiplication, multiply 53 with this and divide 9. So diagonally multiplying and dividing. So 66.5 minus x is 6.2 multiplied by 53 whole divided by 9. If we calculate this all, we get approximately 36.5. We are getting 5. So in continuation 5.11. So I took it as 36.5 is equal to 66.5 minus x. Now shifting x that side and 36.5 this side. So 66.5 minus 36, it's 30. 30 is equal to x. We shifted x that side, so it got positive. We got the value of x. Now this value of x we can put in our equation to find y. So if you put 30 in the equation, 30 plus y is 70. Thus y is 70 minus 30. So it's 40. Now we got answers, x as 30 and y as 40. So this is our final answer. Most probably all of you understood this. Median questions are very simple, purely formula based. We need to find out all the values and from that we can easily calculate.